What's up guys, this is David Matos with 35mm.com, and today I'll be checking out and testing an SD card that is 100% compatible with the GH5's 400 megabits per second All-I Codec, the FreeTail Evoke Pro 1000X. When the GH5's firmware was updated to 2.0, it gained a 4K 400 megabit per second codec. Panasonic recommends using V60 speed class cards or higher, which have minimum sustained write speeds of 60 megabits per second. People have discovered, however, that some V60 cards can't keep up with the high demands of the new codec and stop recording after a few seconds before you get an error like this one. So in my search for a card that would work, I came across the FreeTail Evoke Pro. The reviews were mostly from GH5 owners, and all of them stated that this card would in fact record without cutting out or any errors. So for $85, I decided to give it a try. The Evoke Pro has a V60 rating. FreeTail claims peak speeds of up to 240 megabits per second. It comes in 64, 128, and 256 gigabit capacities. Our test card here is the middle of the road and retails for $85 on Amazon.com. I'll put a link in the description below. First, let's test it using a computer in Blackmagic Design's disk speed to see if it can sustain write speeds of 400 megabits per second. We can see from the test that it has sustained write speeds of about 74 megabytes per second, so in theory it should work with the new 4K All-I Codec. So let's put it through the real test and pop this card in a GH5. So as you can see from that test, the card was able to handle Cinema 4K at 400 megabits per second with no issues and recorded for 5 straight minutes. But as you can see here, it can go until the card is completely full, in this case well over 40 minutes. So it can record without any errors, but how about frame drops or artifacts? Well, none that I could see at least. Take a look at some of the footage I recorded at 400 megabits per second using this same card. Now that we've seen what the Evoke Pro can do, I can say without question, this 128 gigabit card that is compatible with all of the GH5 codecs is a great buy. If you want to check it out, again there's a link down below, but I have noticed both stock and price fluctuate. If you don't see it for $85, just wait a couple days and it will probably go down. You do however risk the card selling out as it literally flies off the shelf. Well, that's it for today. I hope this video guys helped you out. If you liked it, make sure you press that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.